What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a few watch bands here for the Google Pixel Watch. Now, if you picked up the Google Pixel Watch, you know that pretty limited when it comes to watch bands. You can pretty much get them from Best Buy, and they're made by Google, or the Google store, because they have their own connector here, or the way that you can put it on here. So for now, you're gonna have to probably pick these up from the Google store or Best Buy that sells the Google Pixel Watch bands. But I have three of them here. I have the Active. This is the Hazel Active watch band. Runs about, I don't know, around 49 bucks. And then I have here the this is the woven one, which this is the Ivy woven one. This runs about 59 bucks. And then you have the crafted leather, and this is the Ivy color. So pretty much got the same kind of color palette here for the Pixel Watch here, and we're going to try these out, see if you like, see what you don't like. This is how the watch came from Google. This was a gift from Google. They sent this over to me, the Pixel Watch, and this is really a cool watch. I've really been enjoying it. But the first one we're going to bust up is the Active. So we'll go ahead and take this out. As you can see, show you that there. Very nice color. This is the Hazel. So if you have the Hazel phone, Pixel 7 Pro, if you don't know how to take off these watch bands, I have a video where it's real easy to do. Ooh, I think I'm liking this color already. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? Yeah, you might want to turn off your watch. You don't keep hitting the if you have a passcode on it. Now that is, I'll tell you what, that is super clean. I'm really liking that. Wow, look at this. Huh? Look at this. I think I'm gonna surprise my wife in the morning so that she can when she wakes up, she'll be like, ooh, kind of liking that color, babe. But yeah, this is the Hazel Active, but they have a variety of colors. They have the Hazel, they have the Chalk, which is the one I just took off, they have the Obsidian, they have the Charcoal, and then they have a Lemongrass. You guys are into that. All right, next one we're going to try is this woven one. This is an Ivy color. So we'll go ahead and take this out. Put this over here. Yeah, this is more of a yeah, so I guess this kind of band here will it kind of like snaps on, as you can see here. Yeah, I don't think I'm feeling this one. And this one's more expensive, but it feels I don't know, it just feels cheap. I mean, yeah, I'm not too impressed with this. The color's okay, but I'm not feeling it. I mean, it's easy to put on, I guess, and you probably have to set it a certain way, but I'm not really feeling this one. This is the woven chosen. So you have the Ivy one I had, and then you have this coral one, which is cool, but I just think it should be thicker. And this is a lemongrass. Lemongrass pretty hot. I should have probably got the lemongrass, but I don't know. Let's go ahead, and the next one we're going to try is the leather. Let me show you the leather. See, now that's hot. That comes in that Ivy and black. Ooh, see, I'm not feeling I like how these are a little more wider. These are not crazy about how these look. Yeah, I think I like the Active the best. This is leather, and it's $30 more. I don't know if it's worth it. I do like how that has like that metal little handle there. That is nice. I don't know what you guys think. This ain't bad. This isn't bad. I just like how I like how this one's thicker, you know. Yeah, and then you simply just go like this. I like the way this goes on with the belt, like a belt. I do like this one. This one's nice. It's just expensive, 79 bucks. I don't know if that's worth it. I would definitely, if you're gonna get another color and you want to have two, like I have this one here, charcoal white, I guess they call it, and then to have this or a black, you know. But I think Google will start making like an active one, like a Nike one. That would be cool. But this leather one is nice. This is clean looking, very clean. I like how it goes like a belt. But hey man, let me know what you guys think. Hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming. But those are the 3 watch bands that I picked out to see what the deal is. Definitely don't get this one. This is a waste of money. But the other 2 are legit. Those are decent. I'm gonna get out of here. You know what time it is. Knew it was coming, right?